on my YouTube, subscribe first. And what's poppin', girl? Today we are doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing, and I am so excited for this because new year, new me. We finna start back with the videos. We finna get good content. So just jumping right in, it has a theme every single month, and this year's theme is Rock and Roll Soul Rock 2018. Okay, and on the back it has the list of products and their prices. Most of the time they send us these makeup palettes, like not specifically this brand, but a makeup palette. You know, most of the time it'll come with a mirror. This one is Glam Metals by Crown, and I have only tried Crown's brushes. I've never tried any of their makeup. This is the palette. It's very, very pretty, very metallic-y. Can't wait to try some of these looks, especially this one. I think I want to do a Valentine's Day look with this color, so stay tuned for that. And this palette right here retails for $25. So if you're telling me this is $25, then you're already getting over the value that you paid for the entire box. And we got 5 products, so not sponsored by BOXYCHARM, but I would love to be. On to the next product. I see it's a pure bronze and brightening palette, so this is probably contour and highlight, so let us see. Look, guys, and that also comes with a little mirror in there. It's a highlighting shade, blush shade, and also a contour shade. And let's see, I'll swatch these here just because it's 3. Yes, so as you can see, they're really pigmented. Like I said, I'm not really a blush kind of girl, but maybe I'll try it, especially Valentine's Day is coming up. You never know. And honestly, if you're not into blush, use it as an eyeshadow. Like, that's what I do with some of the stuff that they send me. I don't use blush, but I'll use it in some other way. Like, makeup has no cap. Remember that. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun. And this pure brightening and bronzing palette is $34. And the next thing that I pulled out of this box is this Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil by IT Cosmetics, and this retails for $24. Just sketched a few lines here. It's kind of like a goldy brown color, like it's a brown. It's a muddy brown. I don't know if I would say this pencil is universal. I could definitely see it going on blonde brows or brown brows, but I like my brows pretty freaking dark, so I don't know, but we gonna try it. I'm definitely gonna try it out and let you guys know what I think. See, next time I need to come on here with no makeup and just try these on in front of you guys. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and I did not even know that Dr. Brandt did like primers. I thought it was just like skincare. I mean, I guess that is skincare, but primer is like makeup, so yeah. And their brand is expensive, so let's see. This primer right here, retails for $38. I'm gonna use it because they do only send us 5 things every month. This is the last product I'm pulling out, and it is by Girl Lactic. We have got a couple products by them before from BOXYCHARM, and this is really how I grew my makeup collection, is BOXYCHARM. Like my brushes, my makeup, skincare stuff. I'm telling y'all, look into it because BOXYCHARM is really, really good. This is in the shade Posh. I know it's a matte shade. I'm actually just gonna put this on my lips because I don't have any lipstick or lip gloss or anything like that. So let's see how it looks. So I definitely do love the lip. It kind of reminds me of like a butternut color. It's like a paley, orangey, nudie. I like it. That is all for this BOXYCHARM unboxing. Let's see what the total is. Let's add it all up just because I like to see how much value I really got for $22 freaking dollars. Like, so on this Rock and Roll Soul Rock 2018 January box, our total value was $144. Like, girl, you cannot beat that. Again, not sponsored, but I'm just helping y'all out because this is how I grew my makeup collection. This is how I grew my brush collection. They sent me a couple brushes and I really like it. If you guys are interested in BOXYCHARM, feel free, check them out, BOXYCHARM.com. Once again, not sponsored. I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot more of these BOXYCHARM unboxings because why not? Like, it's a monthly subscription box, beauty channel, like, come on, man, get it together. If you guys did enjoy this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because girl, you watched the whole video, you might as well subscribe. So I just did the most stupidest thing. I'm looking for my phone. What the fuck? Like, I'm slow.